ಶ್ರೀ ಮಹಾವೀರ ಜೈನ್ ಕಾಲೇಜು ಶಾಲೆ ವತಿಯಿಂದಾಗುತ್ತಿ ರ್ಯಾಲಿ. ಸರ್ಕಲ್ನಿಂದ ರಿಚರ್ಡ್ ರಸ್ತೆ, ಸ್ವರ್ಣ ಕುಪ್ಪಂ ವೃತ್ತ ಮತ್ತು ಗೀತಾ ರಸ್ತೆ ಕಡೆಗೆ ರ್ಯಾಲಿ ಪ್ರಾರಂಭವಾಯಿತು. ರ್ಯಾಲಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಅನೇಕ ಕಾಲೇಜು ಹುಡುಗಿಯರು ಮತ್ತು ಹುಡುಗರು ಭಾಗವಹಿಸಿದ್ದರು.
Say no to drugs. Say no to drugs. Say no to life. Say no to drugs. Say yes to life. Say no to drugs. Say yes to life. Say no to drugs. Say no to drugs. Say yes to life. Say no to drugs. Say yes.
Great privilege and honor to be a part of this rally and to conduct this rally. Since the last 6 months before, we have conducted a rally on say to drug, no drugs, based on a marathon, and we hope that our young students, the young generation, has been conducting this rally, and this will be a great change in the society and for each one of us. Make a change in yourself, make a better environment. Thank you.
Say no to drugs. 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 Say no to drugs.
ಜೈನ್ ಕಾಲೇಜಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ರ್ಯಾಲಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ಸೇ ನೋ ಟು ಡ್ರಗ್ಸ್ ಥೀಮ್ ಮೇಲೆ. We are all aware, everybody in this present generation is aware that drugs are very easily available to every common man, and the present generation, the younger generation, has easy access to buy all these things, and because of the stress life gives to everybody, they tend to ease it out by these methods which are really not supportive to life. So though everybody knows that these drugs are actually harmful and eventually kill a person with all the side effects, being aware that it's wrong, still people step into these actions, step into these modes without realizing that what harm they are causing. So through this rally we are trying to bring in an awareness which says that you should say very strongly, become very strong in your mind and say no to drugs, so that you can lead a very healthy life which is beautiful, which will support you physically, emotionally, professionally. So the aim of the rally is to say no to drugs to everybody, the present generation especially, the youngsters, and it's being organized by the Rotary Club of Shri Bhagwan Mahavir Jain College under the leadership of our faculty member, Mrs. Kalpana. So I really hope that the present generation becomes absolutely drug-free. Hemant and Ms. Kalpana are carrying out this rally. All the best to you. Thank you.
I am President of Rotary Club of SPMBC. Today we have organized drug-free marathon, drug-free rally, so that our younger generation is spoiling and we need to stop it. So on behalf of that, we are organizing this rally.
for all NCERT, CBSE textbooks, guides, PUC, ITI, BE textbooks, guides and classmate notes, and for all the types of stationery available only at Satya Bookstore, opposite to Karur Vaishya ATM, Aladamara, Bemmal Nagar, KGF. For more details, contact 8073962145.
பாரம்பரியமிக்க கைப்பக்குவமான சுத்தமான தரமான ருசியான கமகமக்கும் பிரியாணி சுவைத்து உண்ண
வீனஸ் ஆம்பூர் பிரியாணி
கிளாசிக் ஃபேமிலி ரெஸ்டாரண்ட்.
ஆஹா, என்ன சுவை! இது பிரியாணி.
வீனஸ் ஆம்பூர் பிரியாணி
கிளாசிக் ஃபேமிலி ரெஸ்டாரண்ட்.